Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have your sources. Now add them into Word so referencing is reliable. Open the References tab and set the citation style you must use. This ensures consistent formatting. Click Manage Sources, then New to enter source fields: author, title, year, publisher, DOI, or URL. Once done, save to the master list so you can reuse entries across documents. Make sure to double-check author spellings and publication year, because small errors propagate into every citation and the bibliography. You now insert citations while writing to keep alignment with your sources. Place the cursor after a quote or fact and choose Insert Citation, then select the saved source. Word places an in-text citation formatted to your style. If you need footnotes, use Insert Footnote and then cite inside the note for explanatory material. Once done, click a citation and choose Edit Citation to add page numbers, exclude author, or suppress year. These small edits control exactly how readers trace the source. You finish by generating the bibliography so every cited work appears automatically. Place the cursor at the end and insert a bibliography or works cited from the References menu. Word compiles entries from in-text citations. Once done, update the bibliography after edits by right-clicking an Update field. If something looks wrong, make sure the document style matches your required guide and check Manage Sources for duplicates or incorrect fields. A common fix: reselect the correct citation style, then update all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.